Yes, we are. There I am. Okay, we'll just let the initial ad run through and then we can get going. almost over. These ad breaks take forever. Good God. But it's done. Okay, there we go. let's get going. Because I have a few things to do today. Gotta fix a few bugs. And if I'm fast enough at clearing them, then we'll start implementing some other stuff. That's gonna be fun. All right. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Right. Well, this gets saved, doesn't it? When I pause this, does it get reset? Winiflatus, hi! Implement other bugs? Yeah, no, I'm gonna try to fix bugs today. I have 2 of them that are pretty nasty that I want to get through. Hopefully they're easy to fix. How am I? I'm doing good, thank you. How are you doing? Hopefully you're doing good. But yeah, we're gonna get this on the thing. Cause like, yeah, we need this to good too. Awesome to hear. Yeah, and I'm fixing bugs today. I don't want this to be I don't want these bugs to ruin the experience, so to speak. So we're gonna get rid of them, or try at least. Okay, so what is happening here? Oh, so path just completely disappears. Interesting. Right, okay. So, for the path to be completely null, completely devoid of anything, that means the path is being cleared. That... Okay. Where was the breakpoint? Oh, here we go. So path has got nothing in it. It's just... And path index is also 0, so I don't think that's... Oh, no, I mean, yeah, this is correct. Path index is... Yeah, path index is correct, but path being empty is not exactly ideal. We need to figure out why this is getting empty between one time and the other. I'm thinking that when I pause... No. Okay. We're gonna need something else to fix this. Let me check, because like, path is being changed in a lot of places. but cancel current path. I don't believe it's this one. But maybe it is. Where's that being called anyway? Right, so shouldn't happen there. So why is path getting cleared? It's like path is being changed from one way to the other. Just change the state. So that shouldn't trigger anything. Okay. Let's see where this is being changed. This is private, so this can only be changed from within this. We need to figure out exactly where this is being changed. Sorry. Gosh, I don't think I turned off the mic. Sorry about that. Wait a minute. When I'm clicking on the thing, when I'm clicking, Hi, TV! Welcome! Things are good. How are things with you? We're fixing bugs today. It's gonna be a wild ride today. And we've just started with the first one. It's getting a little tricky because I haven't touched this code in a while, but hopefully we'll get things going. I was having fun on stream this morning, then brought it down to reality with work. I feel you. I am so sorry. But yeah. Hopefully the stream was nice at least, since you had fun. Drew pictures, waffled on about software design. My favorite thing to do. Awesome, awesome. Glad to hear it. I don't get it. Why is this thing... Okay, here we go. So we're setting a new path here. Okay, this is what I was missing. Yeah, it's right there. Okay. It's over here. We're setting the path here, but we're destroying it somewhere because it's giving out null later. So like when we go over here, where is it? It already doesn't exist. Why? That's what I want to figure out. It's like... remove range. So here we're deleting part of the path. But this is only part of the path. We don't actually destroy the path anywhere specifically, I don't think. That's the tricky part. Because like when we click on the character itself, reset path. But reset path is not exactly destroying the path. It just sets the index at 0. Like... okay. Let's stop this. Let's run it again. See what's up. Because like something is happening between one state and the other that I'm not exactly privy to. That's fair. So path. What? Is this one of those debug things? Ah, okay, yeah. I can't move the mouse while I'm debugging. Alright, I'll have to resort to keyboard bindings, sure. Okay, so we got a path now. Okay, good. So we have a path. Cool. And we open up the menu. Yes, we do open up the menu. But it triggers. Oh my gosh. Is it navigating towards the menu? No, yeah, it's navigating towards the menu. That's why the path is all screwy. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I have to fix this. How do I do that though? Like I have to think of like some good logic for this to happen. Yeah, okay, okay, problem not problem solved, but problem I found the problem basically. So yeah, I'm clicking here, but when I open the party menu through this, it's actually as if I was clicking to go there. And since it's off the edges of the map, it resets the path. Oh, that is terrible. That is terrible. How am I going to do that? Because I'd like to keep, so like, as it is right now, this is supposed to be an overlay on top of what's happening, right? And like, hi, Captain Fubar. Hello, hello. Set a flag? What do you mean? Because I don't know what comes first. You want the mouse to only set a path when in map mode? No, that's not it. Like, this is a whole different state. The biggest problem is when I have a set path, as you can see here, but when I click the party menu, it's actually as if I was clicking underneath the button. Like, I detect that click. Consume the event. But does that... I wonder what triggers first, the clicking the button, or me finding out about it. I'm assuming set input as handled. Ah, I see. Okay, we'll have to do that because like that is that is just terrible. But I have to see if I'm actually triggering it first. Okay, so it's between this. So let's delete everything else. Okay. Which one of these is it? Oh, it's this one. Okay. Out. All of you out. Okay. So it's between this and the button. The button is opening the... so it should be open party menu. Here it is. It should be this. Which one of these is running first? Because if this one opens first, then that's easy. I said the input is handled and it never triggers outside, but... Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh man. Okay. That... Oh! Suneko! I'm so sorry, I totally missed your follow. Hello, hello! I don't know if you're still there, but if you are, welcome. Thank you for the follow. I think the method is set as event is handled. But the problem is, like, it's actually triggering here first. Where is it? It's in process. It's actually triggering here first, which is the one I don't want. Isn't that gonna like screw up everything? Because like it's still gonna fire this before I consume the event over on the button. Right? Because I can do that. Like, I can just go over here and like consume the input event. But the problem is, where's this thing? On the button signal, you can consume it. On the button signal. Right. I'll have to do this, Scylla. Because that's the thing, like, I am using the button signal. Yes. That's what I was gonna check, because I have a thing here. That's okay, here we go. Yeah, it's this thing. So this is the button. And I'm setting the action on it. Like the action, no, but I'm setting the button over here. Where is it? So I'm adding a pressed callback to it. Yeah. I'm actually doing that. But the problem is, where is it? Oh God. World. There it is. The problem is, when I am clicking the button, I'm doing a second thing over here. Wait, oh.
Oh.
I'm actually doing connecting this to the callback method. Yeah, I am. Oh no, complicated your life. No, that's not the thing. The thing is, oh God, it's too much code. I am so sorry. So okay, so I'm doing two things. I have the button over on that corner, over there. Did I? Oh, it's not running. Okay, I have to run it. So when I'm clicking that button on the corner, two things are happening. I'm actually clicking the button, and it's gonna call the method that is associated with the button. But I also have something here on process that is detecting a mouse click. It's this thing. Is action just pressed, and I'm detecting the left mouse click. And it's... What is it? This one? This one is for detecting like when I click on something to go somewhere. Unless I can do this a little differently, but at least I think I'm doing this okay. You reinvented the wheel. I probably did. But is there an easier way to do this? Yeah, I'm assuming that that becomes a problem. But if there's an easier way to do that, let me know. Because this was still part of the code ported over from Community. You can let the framework do the job. Godot. 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 All right. Like if there's a method of like, I don't see how you can capture the mouse signal with the life cycle methods. Input. Oh, I see. Oh, because I do have something like that. Wait a minute. Because I did start implementing that. I just never got around to using it. But I think I have something that uses that. But, oh, okay, then. So imagine I click that button then. It'll only enter we input and not input? Is that what you're telling me? Then you detect the position. In case of the tile map, it just translated with world to map to get the tile coordinate. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. There is path. There is a path the event travels. I see. Okay, let me just brush up on that then. Input, GUI input, and unhandled input. Okay, let me just because if that's a thing, I can do that right now. Because I do believe I started working on something like that. Oh, thank you. Okay. Provided input map. Yeah. Since it is event-based, it will perform better than checking in process every frame. Okay, got it, got it. Yeah, this is like, what do you call it? A leftover from Unity, for sure. That's why I left it that way. But if this is a better way to do that, then I'll just do that. Right, input map, yes. Okay. Input event, create event. I bet you custom implemented a ton with your Unity. Oh, I did. I totally did. Okay. Node input is called first, then GUI input is called second. Shortcut input will be called and then finally unhandled key input. I usually put everything in unhandled input so everything can catch it first. If no one needs the event, I use it and consume it. I see. Ah, I see what you're doing. Right. So for like if it catches on the GUI, then the GUI consumes it. If not, it all goes to unhandled, and then you set that up on the game itself. Because that's already passed. Got it, okay. That seems like a way to do that, yeah. A good way to do that. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do then. Alright, let's give it a shot. I'll have to change a few things. Because like, if I need to prioritize something, for example, UI, I can still put it in input. Right, like you mean pressing hotkeys, correct? Like stuff that the UI handles. But not the game itself. Some event that needs prioritized handling. Got it, okay. Well, I guess I'll do that then as well. I'll just have to set a few things up. Like opening the main menu. Got it, yeah. Alright, that seems like a fair compromise. Gonna have to change a few things for that to work, but we'll get on that then. Alright, because I do believe I had that set up when I moved over. I started setting that up, but I never actually got around to doing that. But I will do that now. Okay. Because I do have... Yeah, I do have it here, input. But there's more than one. There's GUI input and unhandled. So I'll have to implement that. Okay, first of all, let's go over to Game Manager. You really just need 3 or 4 lines of code, I think. Kinda. Because the problem is this is deep in a state machine, and it isn't like an object. It's not a node, so I can't just. I need to call that from somewhere else, from the way this is set up. But it should be easy enough. Should be easy enough. Okay, let's override. Well, not override. It will be override, but oh, it is override. Never mind, because this is a node. Okay, so input. Let's see what input. Shortcut, handled, unhandled. Unhandled key. Oh, it has a distinction between unhandled and unhandled key. Interesting. Doesn't have GUI input, however. Is that just a 2D thing? Yes, key specific for keyboard events. Okay, got it. Oh, it has to be a control. Okay. For GUI input. Better use a custom action for the mouse button. A custom action makes it easier to add a controller. Oh yeah, that's the by action I assume you mean like a what do you call it? Like an input map, correct? Instead of hard coding the left mouse click. Yeah, I did do that. It's my fire. Another leftover from Unity, don't ask. Yeah, I'll have to rename this sooner or later. But yeah, this is what it was used on. No, I need to change it, like fire. Because like, I don't know why they put fire there, but I didn't want to change the names back when I started porting the project. So I just kept it fire. Because I didn't know what to name it. But yeah, I'll have to change this. But yeah, I do have one. I just need to set it up. Okay. Let's then, because like I will need an unhandled input like this. There we go. In unhandled, you just check for that event. I see. You check events by name. Okay, got it. Okay. Got it. All right. So it's gonna be something like this. Event is action pressed. Got it. Okay. Thank you for that. All right. I'm not gonna use key input. I assume unhandled input also takes care of the keys, right? But the keys is like something a little more specific. Let's just check here. Got it. Okay. It takes all of the events. Okay, good. Then I'll just do that. It takes all events. Okay. Got it. All right. Then we just need to do something like unhandled inputs. We'll just do this. Right. Got it. Yeah, here we go. So this goes over to here. Like that. Virtual. I think it's virtual. Let me see. Virtual. There we go. can override it in the class that handles the tile map logic. Whatever script is responsible. Okay, got it. Alrighty. We'll just do this, okay? Alright, so technically, all I need to do now is over here. Not you. You're fine. But over here. Down here somewhere. Override input. And override fit, wait a minute. Ah, give me a sec. Right, here we go. Input. We also need a unhandled input. Unhandled input. There we go. Unhandled input. There we go. So then we can just do that. Unhandled input. If you have doubts if Godot supports a certain feature and when to implement a custom solution, there's probably a known method for it. Got it, got it. Make your life easier. I'll have to see how much I can fit in here. See how much I can adapt to what I have. You can just use the render server, ditch all the nodes, make everything custom. Well, sorta, kinda, not really. I want to use the stuff that Godot provides, of course. So I'll just do that. Unhandled input, there it is. This also exists, okay. Now we need unhandled input. There we go. Just call this. And that's on the unhandled input, which over here. There we go. Right. Should exist, shouldn't it? Am I writing it incorrectly? I may be. That name, yeah. I have big names in this program. Very big ones. It probably should be here. Oh yeah, I need to implement here. Correct. So here. There we go. We're getting there. Unbuild. And just call it. That's it. There we go. Very descriptive. If in doubt, more information is better. That's the thing. Like, I've struggled with these names for like a long time. So yeah, eventually I just got to a point where, you know, it's big. It's probably, it rolled really badly off the tongue, but at least I know exactly what it is. That's the idea, at least. There we go. Unhandled input. Okay. There we go. But that means descriptive is better. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully descriptive is better, because it's just it's a whole thing. At least people know exactly what they're dealing with. You are very large. I need to go over there. Okay. So now that I have that unhandled input, so when I open the party menu, okay, let me just check over here. Because you said I could set input as handled. There we go. On the viewport. Okay. Okay, so first of all, let's do this first. Go. Set input is handled. There, and that should fix it. Oh my gosh, DVD, thank you for the subscription. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. We'll get you the viewport the scene is in. Got it, okay. Set input is handled. Okay, so hopefully now I can remove. Okay, let me go over to process. Okay. Because like, that means that this part of the code here can just go over to the unhandled input question mark. It's gonna be a little different, but yeah. Input event. Action. Pressed. You should only need unhandled input for the map events. The map events? You should only worry or need. You should only need an handle input for the map events. You should only worry about the need for handle input. Okay, so I guess these are it. Need to worry. Got it. Okay, give me a second, because like I am outside your house, boy. Are you? Are you? Should I be worried? Hello, welcome. Thank you for the follow. Hello. Okay, so action pressed. I'm assuming that since this is an event, that this is then done. For the buttons, you have the signals pressed and toggled. Yeah, that's what I'm already doing. Yeah. These are like, this one, for example, this is like from the keyboard. And this is from the mouse. This one is mouse, this is keyboard. So these two should be here from what I understand. And the button will be fine and dandy because I'm setting it as handled. When I open the menu, set input as handled. Okay, let's see if this fixes things. Let's go again. Okay. I should probably debug this, but okay, I'm probably not calling something. Give me a sec. Oh, there it is. It's on there. It's on here. Okay, unhandled input. Handled input. Right. Oh, yeah, okay. Give me a sec. I might have not. Ah, okay. Give me a sec. I don't think this was, right. Yeah, there it is. Okay. I didn't do it on this one. That was the problem. So unhandled input. There it is. And input. So it needs to also here. Go. Damn, C# is so verbose. Miles away from Java though. Yeah, I guess. I haven't touched Java in a very long time, so I don't even remember Java anymore. But yeah, C# is a little verbose, but that's okay. I kind of like it. Uh-oh. It's still not working. Okay, give me a sec. Let's go round again. Ugh. Unhandled. Yes. Unhandled input. Which is here. Which should go here. Is this being called? Let's check. Check. Oh, keep going, nothing to see here. Click. Uh-oh. I'll just go over here. Stop hammer time. Debugging time, yeah. It's not calling this though. Gotta check out why that is. Oh, never mind. It was in the right spot, never mind. It's not calling this though. Me and my 90s references always forget audience is too young. No, I do know what stop hammer time means. It's fine. I do know what that is. Why is it not calling this though? It should be, shouldn't it? Unless I'm not doing something. Let me read this again. This is an override. Yes. Handle input. Okay. But it should work right out of the bat. Are you copying from the doc example? Well, the doc, not really. I just overwrote this. Which is... like, it should go directly here, but it's not doing that for some reason. I hate these child here. That's okay. We don't discriminate here. Okay, let me just do something. Or rather, gd dot print input event string. No, what do you mean this signal? You gonna do the same for inputs and see what happens. Oh, actually, and we're gonna put the same thing over here. And handle input. Okay, let's do that again. No, I mean, I don't need to run it like that as a debug now, because like a... Okay, give me a sec. Let's run it again. I can't see that, so I'll just do it like this. Whoa! Mouse button. It is doing something with it. Mouse. It also has mouse motion. Okay. So I don't need to track every little thing. I can just do it like that. Yeah. Underscore is the GT script way to emulate a method private variable. Since it does not support real private and public class methods, variable the underscore should hide it from the autocomplete feature in the Godot script editor. Got it. Yeah. Because TBD Gamer was asking. Okay. What is that underscore method supports in Godot? Yeah, I believe they did it like that to just, I guess that's their convention of doing things. No, I just didn't catch TBD's message. I'm sorry about that. So it is going there with something. It is doing something with it. Wait, is this one of those problems where I get the mouse out of the screen and it just doesn't catch anything? Oh no, now it's gonna catch all of the things. Okay, but at least it's working now. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Go. Yes. Oh, that's not... What? No. What? Okay, I guess I found the problem. Didn't I overload it? Overwrite it? Whatever. Yeah, it's right here. Why is it... What? What? Okay. Yeah, it's overridden. Why is it not getting over here? Wait a minute. Oh. Oh, I'm forgetting something. Hold on. I know what the problem is. Okay. I'm sorry. I know what the problem is. Where is it? Here we go. You. Right. Okay, hold on. Stop everything. Stop the presses. Override input and override unhandled input. There we go. Unhandled input. So that's why nothing was happening. Okay, there we go. Oh man. Okay, that should fix that. Hopefully. Maybe. What's the @ symbol function in the method parameter in C? I believe that's because, like, when you do event is like a keyword from the language, right? So you can't have variables named event because event is like a keyword. So I guess the @ is a way of like making it not evaluate as a keyword for the language. It's so it evaluates as not a keyword for the language. It's just a word of the thing. Okay, hopefully that's it. Please let that be it. Hey, got him. Okay. Okay, let's make the test now. Yay. Thank you for the help. But yeah, let me just if I click somewhere, party menu, leave. It's still there, but okay, so it doesn't trigger. Oh, thank God. Okay, cool. Thank you so much. Okay, that's one thing out of the way. Let's see if everything is still working. Should be. It stops here, but that's okay. Going. Okay, let's click party menu, leave, go. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's okay. I didn't think I was gonna take this long to fix this, but at least it's a little bit better now. When in doubt, Godot will handle it. Yeah, I'll have to, because that's a neat thing I didn't realize. Godot actually sends signals when the mouse moves. I guess I'll have to do that instead of like tracking where the mouse is on every process. I can just do that. Like I just get events for when the mouse moves and just any input is captured. Nice. I'll have to do that because I wasn't thinking of like this is all code from back when I was doing it in Unity. I don't know if Unity has anything like that. At least I never used anything like that. But yeah, this is pretty nice. I'll have to adapt to it later down the line. Okay, so that's one thing done. Yay. Okay. Oh, it's not this one, it's this one. Okay. Okay, cool. We did it. We did it, everybody. We did it. All right. Let's then, now that this is fixed. Oh, actually, let me just do something else before I forget. Because, where's combat? Here it is. Yeah, I'll need to do that. I'm just gonna do this before I forget. Little bit easier to handle that way. Combat. Oh, I should also do that over here. You can either use these virtual methods or talk to the input singleton directly. That's what I was doing before. Yeah. We was about to destroy Pastel Nata. Bought some earlier. No idea if I could limit myself to only one. Yeah, that's the thing with Pastel Nata. You have to like eat all of it. Otherwise it like in the next day it won't be as good. You just have to eat it all. Do it. Like no shame. Absolutely none. Game, combat, and base. Okay, I have to do that here too. My future diabetes likes you. Yeah. I'm kidding, of course, but yeah, it's pretty tasty. I will agree. Unhandled input. There. Okay, last one, that's all fixed. Okay, so that's one thing fixed. Let me just oh Yeah, I actually have to do some other stuff. Yeah. Okay, give me a sec. Because I need to change a little thing down here. Go. Yeah, everything else is good. Well, there is... Where was that? Oh, it was right here. Right. Oops. Okay, there we go. Uh-huh. There. That should do it. Close it up. And we're good to go. Sorry, everybody. I'll get back to it. Just wanna complete. Have you seen the Godot showreel for 2023 yet? I have it on my to-watch list. I haven't done it yet. I bet there's some cool stuff in there. I do really want to check it out. I do have to watch that. You are 100% correct. Every year projects are getting more ambitious. That is perfect. That is awesome. I hope it keeps going that way. The more ambitious things get, the more, you know, we push the engine to its limit. So that's pretty cool. And you know, also people see that the engine is capable of doing stuff. There we go. Okay. We have committed. Woo! Okay, let's get back to it. Okay, that's one thing fixed. Now, I have to track a very specific, tricky bug that I have. Let's try to fix that. Because there's this thing. I go into combat and I retreat. And eventually it gets to a point where it just does that. It just craps itself and I don't know why, so I want to see why that's happening. So what is happening? Okay, I need to I need to turn this off. It's so many messages, we need to turn it off. Where is it? off for now. Because I know you work, so it's fine. You don't need to tell me everything. Alright. Yeah, so I need to find out why that is happening. But this one's gonna be a little trickier, because like it doesn't give a specific error, it just starts an endless loop and it's bad. So there's something happening here. But it's not always. That's the tricky part. Like, it just happens sometimes. I wonder if it's when we're in the middle of something. Like they're in the middle of moving. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is definitely it. Yeah. It's in the middle of an action. Okay. You have an action log? As in actions for the characters, or actions like engine actions? Like programming actions? I do have a slight log right there on the corner. Yeah, it's right there in the corner. It's not very descriptive yet. But there is a thing down here that says what they're yeah, like that. Do you save to file? No, not yet. Maybe one day, but no, not yet. This is all just in memory and then gets wiped. It just gets wiped off the face of the earth. So it's in the middle of an action. So there's something setting here. I'm setting stuff here that when I come back, yeah, there's definitely something if I do it in the middle of an action. I have to figure out what that is. I'm not resetting something. I'll have to figure out what it is. But it gets reset when they finish. So, okay, let's close all of this. And open up the combat stuff. Combat. Base. Combat, here we go. Gotta see what it is. It's gotta be one of these, for sure. So it's either on move or on attack. Probably both. Okay, what is the problem? Reset timer. We get a path. And the path index is 0. That's the action. So this is being set up here. Okay, so what? I'm setting all of these up here, correct? Yes. And the timer. I'm resetting the timer. Automatic reset. Okay, good. Seems like everything is being set up correctly. Unless it's over here, that might be it. Some of the stuff that is being set up here is not being. Well, I can just try to force it and debug it, I guess. I guess I can just do that. Alright. Let's give it a shot. Let's clear all these. So. I'm assuming it's on enter. I think. Unless it's here. Is it here? Back options. Clear, okay. Target. Start Godot with console might print something. Use verbose as an argument. I assume that's something I have to set up here, correct? Run. No? It's a command line thing. You mean when I debug? So that would be here. I haven't touched this in like forever. You use PowerShell or just any command line? Both. I have both here. I have the normal command line and PowerShell. You downloaded Godot? Yes. No, not the Steam version. I actually have it on my disk. I downloaded it and set it on like C drive. It comes with a console bash script. Does it? Let me check. I never noticed. Let me check. So we can output to console in case of crashes. Ah. Give me a sec then. Where did I put it? Oh, it's over here. Oh! It's this one. Okay. This is 4.2, isn't it? 4.2.1. Okay. Ah, here it is. Comes with a zip file. Yeah, it's right here. It's this one. Do you use this like with the command line? I take it. How do I do I open the project or do I just run it from here? Close Godot and start with the bash script. You will have console open. Oh. Okay. But if I do that, it's gonna screw everything up. Because of the stream setup. Oh god. Can I open a copy of it? What was it called? Just better for future endeavors. Okay, got it. Thank you. I'll keep that in mind. I can open the same project. Okay, I can't open the project. Yeah. Hi, BB Tom. Hello. Welcome. Okay, I can't open it. Okay. But I always wondered why this was here, so I guess that's why. Okay. But I think I can figure it out without the thing. I just need to without the console. I just need to figure out exactly, because it's definitely something that isn't being set up correctly. And I just have to find out what it is. Okay, that's one thing. I don't know if that's gonna... This is probably not it, but I just wanna... I'm just making sure that nothing... I was clearing the attack options, but not the neighbors. That is weird. Because it was probably a late edition. That's why I said. Okay, highlighted characters, no. Because, like, this gets used down here. Right. Yeah. Okay, so we don't even need to do that, I don't think. Yeah. The null setup is just over here, and that is it. Is it because of that? Because it doesn't seem like it would crash from this, but I've heard and seen sillier things. Okay, let's just make a few more checks. So this isn't being reset either. And it definitely should. Because like where's this being used? Right. Okay. Alright, let's clear this when we come in. Path. We should clear the path too. Over here as well. Because one of these is most certainly causing that. I'm not resetting the variables between states, and it's just making everything worse. I don't know if this is exactly it, but this might help. Turn, timer. Okay, so everything seems to be set up correctly once we come back in. Neighbors. Neighbors is first. Yeah, okay. Just making sure. Alright, let's try that again, see if that fixes the problem, because it might just be that. If it's not, then we'll have to debug, because I have no idea what it might be. Okay, yeah, it's not that. Yeah, okay. Let's debug then. exactly would I set this up? Well, technically, I don't even need to set a breakpoint. I just need to hit like an endless loop and pause the session, and it'll just tell me where it's locked. So we don't even need this. Hopefully that's what happens. Let's keep going. Okay, there it is. Gotcha. Okay, where is this? What is the problem? What seems to be the problem? Okay, I want to go to 7-9. I'm on 10-9. 10-9-8-7. Okay, so yeah, that's where I expected him to go. What is the problem then? Whoa, okay. What on earth is happening? And why is it 5-5? What is it doing? Okay. I need to... It's funny this only happens in the middle of the thing. Hi, Keys! Welcome back. Hello. How are you doing? Doing good. Fixing bugs today. Because like there's a few nasty things that are just trying to halt the project to a stop, and I'm trying to fix them. I'm good. Working on a hotbar today for my game. Awesome. Glad to hear it. Do share if you manage to make some progress, if you want to, of course. Okay, first of all, I don't even know where this 5-5 is at right now. Because it's nowhere even close. I'm completely new to coding in general, so it's a slow progress. That's perfectly fine. So long as things get done, slow or fast, that's what matters is that it's done at the end of the day. So don't worry. Oh, okay. All right. 7-9, is it? Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Where's the watch? Add to watch. There we go. Okay. Wait, 196. Is that correct? How big is that thing? Is it like... What was it, 14 by 14? Was it? I don't even remember anymore. But yeah, okay, let's assume this is correct. Okay, yeah, something is definitely fishy here. Why is it... So that's what I want to figure out. All right, let's run this one by one and see why it's always doing 550. Okay. Current is 550. Okay. So current is gonna be, okay, I'm just, sure, whatever. So current came from, there it is, 550. But that's the thing, how did he even get to 550? What? That's what I want to understand. Like, we're starting from the goal, which is 790. What? How did he even get there? Okay, give me a sec. I don't even know if this works, but what was it? 790. So 790. Yeah, okay, it's not gonna do that. Man. Yeah, it's not gonna work. I'll have to just search for it. 790. Because it... Okay, 790. 690. Okay, you know what we're going to do? I want to copy this over to a notepad and search there, because good God, it'll take forever. There's a lot of stuff in here. Alright, here we go. Can I just copy this? It would be nice if I could. View binary data? No. Alright, that's fine. 690, got it, okay. I just want to figure out how on earth did he manage to get to 550? Because, like, he started here. So, he should have inserted that on the path. But no, it's just 550 all over the place. What? Yeah, it just keeps inserting 550 because, yeah, 550 leads to 550. So it's just an endless loop of things. Well, okay, maybe I can track until the end of it and see what's happening here. Good God, how many entries does this have? Well, I left this running for a while, so... Oh my God. How many entries does this thing have? Oh boy. That's a lot of things. Okay, give me a sec. What? I'll never get out of here. Okay, hold on. Let's just put a breakpoint here and and start from there. You've been scrolling for a while. Yeah, I think. Yeah, that's what I figured. Like, I'm not gonna do that. No, that's not happening. I just let it running for too long. But I mean, I wonder if this is because, like, I'll have to check. I may not be resetting the tile map properties properly. That's probably what's happening here. But yeah, let's go to combat. Retreat when it's moving. Go into combat again. It's gonna calculate a path. Okay. So I think this is gonna botch somehow. So let's figure out why. So current is gonna be the goal. No. Oh my god. Calm down. Hopefully he didn't introduce too much. Interesting. Very interesting. Well, yeah, it's giving out errors now because the path doesn't even exist. Path is like 0. What is it trying to do? 7-Eleven. 4-9. Wait a minute. 7-Eleven. Yeah, this is all botched. I don't know what it is, but it just botched real big. Hi, Dragon! Have you used ChatGPT to help you solve problems in game design at all? No, not really. I usually use ChatGPT to help me decide variable names. That's the extent of what I use it for. Because like I'm very undecisive when it comes to variable names, so yeah, that's usually what I do it or what I use it for. But have you tried? I'm assuming since you're asking, you want to try it out. This is gonna be here a while, so that's fine. Okay. Combat. Go. I don't think this is gonna... Wait a minute. 3-9 is the goal. Start at 09. Okay, that's correct. This one doesn't seem like it's gonna botch yet. Oh, it is gonna botch. Hold up. Oh no, I left it too long again. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Yeah, okay. Let's just do something. Because it's never gonna be more than that, right? So that's what we're gonna do. Let's go over it again. I'm making a new variable. What the fuck should I? Yeah, pretty much. What the F should I name it? I've used it to solve some problems. It's good because I can actually pseudocode how certain things should work, but can get stuck on the math and implementations of it. And it's super useful for that. Yeah, usually it's really good at those sorts of mathy things. Start with A. When you run out of one-letter variables, add letter AA. Yeah. That would be great advice. I used to use ChatGPT heavily until I saw some people with others that use it. But I'd love for ChatGPT to tell me variable names. Yeah, I tried to like I tried to use it as a complement for my learning, so to speak. I never tried to use it like whole cloth. But yeah, it's a great tool for that. That's what I usually use it for anyway. No, I want this breakpoint, but I want it up here. Just remove this one. Yeah, that'll do. And we can remove this one too. Yeah, I think it's the copy paste people really dislike. Yeah, pretty much. Cause like, I don't know. You don't learn a lot doing that, you know? It's pretty much like the same thing as going on Stack Overflow and copying something from there. You gotta learn why the thing works, right? Just copying and pasting won't help you much. I'm waiting for an AI tool to be trained on ethical data, but who knows when we'll have that. That would be perfect, yeah. I'd really love for that to happen. That would be pretty nice. Yes. Okay, remove all these. We don't need them. Oh, that was way too short a path. Damn it. Okay. Again. Okay, there we go. Now I'll figure out why you're crashing. Okay. 12.5, that should be the goal, correct? 12.6, where do we want to go? 12.10, okay. 12.6, 11.6, 10.6, 9.6, 8.6, 8.7, wait a minute. You're way off the mark. Where are you going? You want to go to 12.10. Why are you going to the left? Oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh. Yeah, I figured out what the problem is. None of these values are correct, actually. She is not at 12.10. She's at 0 something. She's not at 12 at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. She's at 0, 12. What? What do you mean 1210? Where did you get this number? Okay, now I know what's happening. Like, the values are totally whack. Are total whack. You should just choose it. Who cares what the people say? I mean, yeah, to a certain extent, yeah. You should, like, the tool is there, you know, it's good for you to work, but yeah, using a tool and also being aware of, like, its flaws is also good. Like, I like ChatGPT, but I do wish it was a little more ethical in its sourcing and stuff like that. We can have both. It's fine. I use ChatGPT when there's an error in my code I can't figure out. Sometimes it helps, sometimes not. Yeah, I mean, for stuff like that, I think ChatGPT is like the best sort of thing. Like, sometimes it's really good at analytical stuff like that. See you in a bit, maybe tall. No worries about the lurk. Walking dogs is way more preferable. I'm a big fan of the technology for sure. Yeah, it's got a lot of potential. We just need it to be a little less exploitative, I'd say. Numbers, it doesn't add up. Yeah, something is happening with these numbers. Like, none of these values are correct. I have to see what the heck is going on in here. This is like this is like what do you call it? An initialization thing for sure. Like 100%. I'll eat my shoe. No, I'm just kidding. I won't eat my shoe. But I'll have to check what it is. I don't rely on GPT for answers, more inspiration. Yeah, that works too. Sometimes it gives me a new way of doing things. Sometimes it just makes things up and I feel disappointed in the API. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice tool to get your to get some ideas for sure. Like, to get the start of an idea that you can then develop on your own. Absolutely. Okay, so this is an initialization things for sure, because what the heck is with this 1210? She is nowhere near that number. Okay, let's stop all of this. Okay, let's see over when we set up combat for the first time here. What are we doing? Initialize controllers. Okay. Hi, Authority! Hello! How are you doing? How are the projects going? I think I just found out what the problem is. Yep. I think I just found out what the whole thing is. It's like, I'm initializing these controllers. Oh, and then I'm starting the starting positions. Okay, that's fine. Well, yeah. But hold on a second. probably not this. But... I've decided that in March I won't do another game jam. I'll continue building what I'm working on for all of March. That's absolutely fair. Hi, Cosmoland. Hello, hello. Doing good, doing good. We're fixing bugs today, and these are some juicy bugs. Yeah, it's being a wild ride today. Well, that's all very nice and all, but... Okay, it's definitely here. The problem is here. 100%. I'll just have to figure out what it is, actually. This is very, very weird. But it's definitely here. It's something to do with this. It's either here or when we set up... Because, wait a minute. When we initialize the controllers... Well, first of all, this is like... It's not that, but... But it has to be around here somewhere. It has to be something related to this. Where is this coming from? Right, okay. Yeah. Because I am setting this up, and then I'm setting up the positions for this. So, setting start positions. And that's cool and all, but okay. I'm gonna have to run this and see what's happening. because otherwise I'll just go crazy, like looking at code and not figuring out what it is. Okay, but this is the first time. The first time always goes correctly, so it's not that. Then it sets the positions. Okay. Move, retreat in the middle of it. Go to combat again. Okay. When I initialize these controllers. Okay. So. Let's add a watch to this. I don't need to watch this, do I? Well, I kind of don't need to do that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Not to watch. Let's delete this because we don't need that. Okay. We've got 8 of these things here. They're all active. Correct? Active. They're all active. Okay. So. First player character. Second player character. Third. Fourth. First enemy. Second enemy. Third enemy. Fourth enemy. And that's it. But there is nothing else. Yes, okay, so that's it. Cool. Character is set. Set as active, all that stuff. Okay. Seems to be correct so far. Wait a minute. It's got a position, got a path, and a collection of neighbors. Oh boy, I think I see what the problem is. Give me a sec. It might not be that. Okay. That's fine. Okay, let's come out. Starting positions. If the character controller is active, then you set a starting position. Let's just check the first one to see if this is working. So this is the first character. Which one is it? Character 5, okay. Which is going to be 620 for character 5, okay. Character 5, 6, 2. 5, 6, 2. Okay, it's that guy. So it's setting up correctly. play. This might be something a little more insidious. Okay, let me check something. I'm setting all this up. I'm setting all of this up. When I come in, well, technically, yes, it's fine. We're initializing the controller, setting their start position, and then we're initializing that's the thing. Her position was completely out of whack. So it has to be something that deals with their positioning. Okay. Let's see. Let's make one more test out of this. Sure. We don't need that. Not yet. I'm assuming that everything goes correctly. That might be a bad assumption, but yeah. Because first time is always working. Let's get you moving. Okay, let's get back in. Because like, we've initialized the controllers. We're setting the startup positions. Because like these combat controllers here all have (9-1) for character 5, 9-1 for character 5. I'm not gonna keep track of everything, but just 12-1. For character 7, 12-1. It's correct. So, okay. When I click somewhere to move him, it's gonna try and get a path for it. If it's attackable, which it isn't, if it's walkable, set new movement position, which is what I'm gonna do. Click. Okay. Move position is 10-2. Should be, yeah. Okay, let's assume that's correct. I'm clearing the attack options. Sure. And we're gonna get a path from his position, which is 12-1, to 10-2. Correct. That was a slight mistake, I'm sorry. That was a mistake, I'm so sorry. But yes, announcement. Thornity won't be doing game jams in March, everybody. So these positions are both correct. So technically, when we do this, it should output a correct path. But as we all know, that's not what's gonna happen. I wanna go to 10-2, I'm starting on 12-1. Correct. So current is 10-2, which is where I wanna go. Correct. So I'm inserting that in the path. 10-2. Correct. Good. Now, 10-2, 10-1. Well, okay, yes, that works. Let's keep going. 10-1, 11-1. Yes. So what is it going to be now? 12-1? Is that it? Are you kidding me? So this is correct. There we go. Okay, so this was calculated correctly. Is it just the AI? No, it's not, because that happened with the player a while ago. It definitely happened with the player. Wait a minute. So it calculates the path correctly the first time. Where's the call stack? Hey, Fullbox! Welcome! How was your stream? I did notice you were streaming before I started. I didn't have any time to jump in, but... How was your stream? How are things going? Okay. So I make the choice, and the choice is correct. When I click on it, it's giving me bogus numbers. It has to be here, right? I mean... Target position is 1-5. What? Pretty good. Reworking the tutorial. It's coming along well. Definitely going to be an improvement. Nice. Good to hear. Glad to hear it. Where are those bogus values coming from? Because the path was calculated correctly, I am pretty sure. Like, it outputted the correct path. So... what is with this deal? And I officially registered for June's Next Fest? Hype? Nice! Awesome! That is great. Glad to hear it. Hopefully you get a lot of hype for your game on Next Fest. That'd be pretty great. I'll be sure to send a few people over there. I hope so too, but who knows? We'll see. But hopefully it'll turn out good. It's this. It's like these positions are not being outputted correctly for some reason. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is all fine and all. Oh my god, if it is this, I'm going to give up my credentials. I'm just joking, but... Did you ever end up testing it? I don't think I've heard your feedback yet. I want to do that! Oh my god. I have to do that. I have to get into your Discord. That's the thing. Like, because like my Discord is like a non-ending stream of like people talking to me. So I keep forgetting. I'm so sorry. But I want to do that. Yes, I'll definitely join your Discord and get to do that. Full box is too hyped now. Yeah. But if you didn't, you should wait. Wait for the next version. Ah, okay. I see. All right. Let me know when you have the next version up and I'll definitely try it out. I think I know what the problem is, guys and gals and other pals. I'm gonna check something. Y'all wanna see something magical? Y'all wanna see it? I know what it is. I know what it is. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Yeah, okay. So, here's the thing. These combat actions, this is like the list of things that it needs to output, right? Like, move character this way, then make it play an attack animation. You know, cool. That's all. That's all very nice and very cool. But there's a slight problem with this. Yeah. And the problem is, I'm not resetting this, am I? I don't think I am. So it's trying to execute an action that is no longer even supposed to be there. So over here, when I enter, is this gonna be it? Is this, like, I forgot to clear actions and it's just bugging out everywhere? Is that gonna be it? Is that gonna be the answer to my prayers? Let's find out. And die a little in the process, because if it is this, good god, we've been here for like forever. I think that was it, yeah. I just want to test the, when an enemy player starts the turn. Which is never happening because this RNG hates me. What? There it is. It was that. It really was that. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. That's why the values were bogus. Because, like, I never reset the actions. Like, the actions were still there to be performed. And it just, you know, it just never... They never went anywhere. So it was still trying to perform the actions of the previous combat. With all the values, like, being totally out of whack. Because characters are in different places. And there's actually different characters. Okay, but at least it's fixed. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Oh man. Well... Well, there is... Yeah, that'll do, I feel. But yeah, that was, Alright. There you go. Off you go. There it is. Okay, but at least that's fixed. Let's open this up because it's getting a little dark. Yeah, at least it's fixed. I can't believe it. Okay, let me just check my board. There we go. All right. All right, I guess we'll just tackle some other stuff then. Still have some time, a few hours. Get some stuff done, so let's get stuff done. Alrighty. I got one here. Let's do this. So, as we play, right now nothing is happening when we go from one place to the other on the road. So like, we're going from one place to the other. And the only thing that triggers is when it's nightfall. And yeah, it just doesn't do anything else. So I actually want to add events to this. I want to at least have one, not very frequently right now, because like combat is still very slow, and I don't want to bog down the game too much with combat, at the very least at the start. But yeah, I want to have like a random event over here that will trigger sometimes, where you'll get attacked, basically, if you go from one side to the other. I'm gonna make it fairly low at the beginning, but we'll get to that. So let's go over our world. Here we go. So as we're moving, yeah, here we go. Check event. And then we trigger the event. So right now we have camp, base, and trading post. But I do want just to check right here. Yeah, because I'm checking different stuff with this. Actually, what do we have here? So when we check event, if inch 0, 1 is greater, no, it's lesser or equal to 0.05. So let's make it a 5% chance right now to be attacked. Event type is going to be combat. We're going to need some other like information for this. Like, would be nice if you know what kind of faction we're dealing with. So right now we're just going to say combat and trigger combat based on that. But yeah, eventually I want this to be a little bit more nuanced. I don't actually need these numberings, I don't think. Just the fact that they're numbered is good enough for me. Yeah, I don't need this. Hey, and maybe tall, welcome back. Okay. So after checking the event, we're gonna trigger the event. We're actually going to give the player a chance to dodge combat altogether now. Or at least, you know, warn the player, like, combat is coming, right? Because we don't want to like... Okay. Set pop combat. There we go. Okay. Just need to do this. Hiya, main cane. If I prefer libgdx or SDL2, oof. I don't even know. I mean, I don't think I've ever used libgdx. I've only used SDL, so I guess SDL? And I don't even know what version of SDL I used. It was probably 2. Yeah. But hello. Starting with the hard questions. Damn. Why won't you just make your own engine from scratch? Because it takes time! I've tried, okay? Like, it's not for lack of trying. I did try. But it just takes too long. I want to do stuff with it. Why do you not have time? Because Kronos hates me. It's complicated. The gods of time hate me, and they do not give me enough hours in the day. They hate just you specifically? Oh, no. I'm not that special. They hate us in general, the gods of time. They make time passage be horrible and people age and things don't get done and stuff like that. Yeah. It's rough, man. It's rough. It's real rough. But we do what we can. Is this gonna work? I sure hope so. We could build a time machine. That would be pretty cool. Or just not age. You know, I wouldn't mind so much, you know, I wouldn't mind the passage of time so much if I didn't age. Because, like, you know, whatever I wouldn't do today, I could just do tomorrow. No problem. But, you know, time is finite. You have to get stuff done, you know? It's rough. It's rough out there. Okay, let's see if we can trigger this. Yeah, we just want to get stuff done, you know? It's rough out there. Let's see if we can actually trigger combat by just walking around. I'm just gonna walk around the roads because, like, yeah, it'll be too long otherwise. The enemy approaches. Gasp. Okay, let's evade them. Let's try to trigger it again. Okay, I did enemy camp. That's fine. Rest. Okay, let's try to trigger it again. We need this to be a little more evolved, but for now, you know, that's fine. It's getting dark, yeah. Because that's the thing. I want to actually, what do you call it? I want to increase the chances of combat happening if you don't rest during the night. So, like, if you're walking around at night, I want the chances of, like, triggering combat to be extremely higher. Like, I'm talking like, okay, the enemy approaches, meet them in combat. We can just retreat still. But let's actually try to win. I think she's dead, isn't she? She's getting wailed by everyone. Yeah. Oof. That was just unfortunate. Well, they can't catch us yet, but we're gonna get overwhelmed pretty soon. Which is bad. Are we actually gonna lose the first time this happens? I'm gonna be so sad. Come on, just kill him. Well, that... I think we're just gonna straight up die. Oh boy. Yeah, I think we just straight up die. They killed one of our own really quickly. Oh boy, yeah, we just straight up. Actually, I need to do that. If we lose combat, like, those characters are lost and they're truly well and gone. You just assume that they all just die in the process. But I want you to be able to come back to town. Or rather, like, you lose everything that's in this party. And then you come back to town. You know, so you'll have to make do with what you have in town. But right now, that's not what's gonna happen. Because right now, we're still here. Like, we're all just badly injured, but we're still here. I'm actually gonna make this easier at the beginning. So, like, let's make it spawn less enemies for now, just so we can, just so it's a little easier. When we generate the enemy party, let's make it like, I don't know, 1 to 3 people, just so we always have a numbers advantage. Eventually, I want this to be, like, governed by a difficulty meter. So, like, as the game progresses, like, they'll be better equipped and more and stuff like that. But at the beginning, we'll just keep it like that. Oh, and also, while we're here, let's make it so at night, if it's night, I want it to be, like, extremely more likely that you get a combat scenario. Check event. What was it? Am I in the... I'm not in the right thing. Okay. Here it is. Check event. There we go. So, if yeah, that's actually, so let's make it 20, because like at 19 I want to give off the warning that you should rest. And after that, we just trigger a combat. So let's make this combat first. Now, if the hour is bigger than, so if it's better, more than 8 and 4, it has to be an or, right? And less than, let's make it say like less or equal than 6. 6, there we go. So this is like the danger hours. And let's make it like a little procedural thing. So we want to generate a number and we want it to be, let's just say 25% for now. So there's a 25% chance every time you're walking out at night to trigger combat. So it's way harder. So we'll give 1 hour of warning. After that, it'll just trigger combat. So let's give it a shot. The enemy approaches. How many? 3. Okay. Started off with some bad RNG, but that's okay. I need to clump them together, actually. I need to clump them more together. Like, set up a small area and spawn them all in that area to prevent, like, a person being ganged up on by everyone. That's bad. It's actually me again. There we go. Managed to beat it. Very good. Man, this is some... Okay, that's not good. Why is this not showing up? It has to show up. I'll have to check why this isn't showing up. I'll get back to it in a bit. Gotta figure out why that isn't doing anything. Stay in place. Let's make like a... Let's bait him out here. You mess with the wrong neighborhood. Fool. Is this game getting 8K ray tracing support soon? I pirated, but I'm disappointed by the lack of it. I mean, if you want to, I can certainly consider it in the future. I do feel it would add a lot to the experience. Absolutely. I'll take note of that. It's getting dark. Okay, we're not gonna make camp because we're like, and the enemy approaches. Okay, let's evade them just to see if like it keeps giving us warnings. Good, but it is triggering combat like in a very high rate, so that's nice. Yeah, it's giving us a lot of combat now. Well, night's gone, so that's cool. Maybe I will think about buying it when it's on sale. That's fair, that's fair. I appreciate it, I appreciate your support. On sale, on out of sale, anytime. Yeah, I'll keep note of the 8K ray tracing. That's pretty nice actually. You should make a mental note of that. Okay, let's make camp. Actually, yeah, that would be a nice thing to do. I need some sort of stat for these characters. So like when they're idling in camp, they can actually rest and get back some health. Rest until morning. Yeah, some people are disappearing from here. Wait a minute. What? Yeah, these things are not being reset correctly. I need to fix that. I'm actually gonna fix that now. What is going on with this? This guy doesn't even exist anymore. And yeah, she's over here. What? Some characters that are here aren't even supposed to be here. All right, let's fix that. Let's fix. Okay, that would be on combat. So, turns. Because I do have a turn widget, don't I? Did I create that? Ah, here we go. Turn display controller. Okay, here we go. So, what's happening is characters that are no longer there are showing up. So something is definitely fishy about this. I'm creating it here. But I'm never updating it anywhere. Am I? Oh. Oh no, I was selecting the wrong thing. Never mind. So, I set it up when we enter. So this is clearly not okay. And then I process it over here. Okay, that's fine. But something about this setup is wrong then. Oh man. Okay, hold on. Is this going to be one of those cases where I just don't reset things when I should? Because I have a slight feeling that that might be it. Yeah. Okay. That's fine. Yeah, this turn order. This is when we enter. I am never resetting this, am I? Oh, I do clear it here. Where is that? Set up controllers. Ah, here we go. Turn order clear. And then we add the other ones. Okay, cool. So that's... Okay, so at least it's getting cleared, because this is getting called on enter, correct? Yes, okay, so it's here. Good. So, yeah, good. Problem is, I'm adding stuff to the turn order, but then I'm setting up the controllers. Ah, here we go, setup. Okay, let's see what this is doing, because the problem might just be here. I need to set this up correctly. Create new. Okay. Duplicate. New turn display. Visible. Going to be false for starters. Okay. So, returning turn nodes is going to clear. I see. Okay. Okay. So, for each child count, so for each entry we have, we get that child. Okay. Yeah, we're never setting the visibility of these things. We need to do that. Okay. If I is less than combat info turn order count, then we do all this. Oh, and we actually have to set this as visible. Right. Node. Visible. Main node. Visible. True. Else, we'll just make it invisible. This is being set up a little differently than what I'm used to. I don't know why I did it like this, but we're gonna fix that, I think. Okay. Also, I need to. Like this. Because we need to disconnect from the signals, otherwise it's gonna repeat a lot of things. Actually, why am I doing this twice? This doesn't make any sense. Why did I do it like this? I can just do this all in one sitting, I think. Yeah, I can just do this all in one sitting. I don't know why I was doing some things like this. That's good enough. Yeah, because most of this stuff can be set up like once and that's it. There we go. So the name and visible we're setting here. So we can just do that here. Yes. And we just set it all in here. And we don't need all of this at all. Play loop animation. This is going to be at the end. You play the loop animation. You update the character info, which is already here, character info label. There we go. Animation player node. So I can just make turn on. Yeah, I'm just setting it up directly. And we don't need any of this, I don't think. Is it costly to use GetNode in regular code updates? Does it cache that in any way, or do you know? I believe it doesn't cache anything. At least if it works anything remotely, like Unity, which I believe it kind of does. Unity doesn't cache anything, so every time you get a node, it actually just runs through the whole tree trying to find it. That's why I try to use that as little as possible. I set it up initially, so I just, I have usually a whole process to set all those things and save those nodes that I need frequently. And then I just keep them for further use later. Some of this is not particularly up to snuff, but yeah. But yeah, GetNode usually, from my experience, you should call it as little as possible, especially if you're doing it inside an update, where, you know, time is of the essence, so to speak. You want your frame rate to be high. So if you're doing something in a node, you should just cache it, like keep it for yourself, and then just refer to it when you want to use it. Yeah. I think I've ported over everything. I don't even know why I was doing 2 for loops. It's just... Why? Wait a minute. Did I not? Oh, I did not. Okay. I don't know why I even did that. I believe this fixes it. Let's see if it does. I'm actually just gonna get into combat. Let's get rid of the enemy. Let's actually win this time. Oh, he's not armored. Perfect. That means we deal all damage, all the damage. Ah. I can't attack from these positions because I don't have a spot, you see? These two are blocking my way. Very nice. Okay. Let's just try to trigger combat again. Yeah, it's still leaving a gap. For a character that exists, curiously enough. But now... Okay, at least this time everything is... Just this one isn't showing up for some reason. I have to figure out why that is happening. Who is this? Character 11. Why are you not showing anything? Let me see if the turn order is correct. Seems to be, at least. At least it's going up correctly. It's just this one isn't. This one isn't showing up for some reason. Yeah, it's just completely invisible. Okay, I have to figure out why that is invisible. It shouldn't be. It didn't give out an error, did it? No, it's fine. Visible. I set it here, and here I set it to false. Why was that one not showing up? Second there, is everything okay? Because like for a second there, like it was saying connecting to chat. What the heck happened? Is my internet getting like faulty on me? What the heck? Twitch has moments. Yeah, Twitch has its moments, I suppose. So this all seems okay. I have to figure out why it's not... Is it widespread? Does it always happen? Let me check. No stream bumps from my perspective. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you for checking. Okay, so initially everything's fine. Let's get out. Seems fine. Is it because I killed the... Is it because I killed the character? Is that why it's not... Okay. I'm not sure that's supposed to happen. I'm getting attacked by ghost people. I'm getting attacked by ghost people. Is there going to be a combat button eventually, or are they going to be random characters as you roam about? Probably just random characters, yeah. The combat button is there mainly for testing. It's not going to be something... I mean, the only... You can trigger combat on your own, so like if you try to like attack like a city or something like that, that's going to be combat that you start. But other than that, it's just going to be random encounters and stuff like that, yeah. What is happening here? Getting attacked by ghosts, that's pretty serious considering you don't have ghosts in the game. Yeah! What gives? Yeah, it's just... hold on. There might be some shenanigans happening in here. When I'm creating a party... When I'm creating an enemy party... Here... Yeah, I'm just creating a party. I'm creating new people. And then a whole new party. Okay. So, what is the deal? Why is it doing that? That is so weird. Because I've always had, like, you know, UI stuff that didn't match the game, but I never had ghost people before, I don't think. Okay, let's see. When we instance these combat controllers, here we go. Take out the sprite, take out... I have to check for this, don't I? Don't I? Give me a sec. Because, like, when I set up turn order... I set up the controllers here. No one saw that. No one saw anything. You're fine. Everything's fine. It's all fine. Oh my god, stop. Yeah. Since I'm caching stuff, I need to make sure that, you know, I'm actually using stuff that is actually there, and not a cache that is like got nothing in there. Oops. Okay, let's actually kill this guy. Let's wail on him. He's got armor, so he's a beefy guy. He's gonna be a toughie. But we're slowly whittling him down. There you go. Okay. Okay. Okay, but at least I want to see if there are ghost enemies again. Because, like, sure. One thing is this isn't showing up. That was the original problem. But I want to see if, like, no, you know, enemies, ghost enemies show up in here. Doesn't seem to be the case. It's just a matter of, like, showing this thing in the UI. But it's not showing any other person here. So that part at least is fixed. Because this is active. You can clearly see it's active. Okay, let me just check the remote thing here. Let's see what's going on. UI. Combat. Turn display. Here they are. 8, 10, 7, 5. Okay. So I'm dealing with character 10, so it's this guy. It's visible. And the panel is visible. What? What do you mean it's visible? Are you trolling me? Oh, wait a minute. I just noticed something. No, maybe I'm paranoid. Okay, let me just move this over to the other window just so I can see what the heck is going on. Okay, that's... These names are not correct, but that's a thing for another time. Okay. Yeah, it's this guy. Everything is visible. What? Okay, what is this animation player playing? Current animation is nothing. Is that what the problem is? Huh. But like everything is active, so we should see something. Why are we not seeing this one specifically? It seems suspicious. Like it's just the enemy that isn't showing up. But at least there are no ghosts anymore. Okay, let's kill the dude. Yeah, because everything is working correctly. Except for like the thing that shows his turns is like completely out of whack. Okay, combat again. We have 2 enemies now. One of them is invisible. Oh, but this enemy is visible now, so that's cool. Okay, let me check just the thing again. Which one is it? No. It's this one again. It's always this one. But it's right there. And it's visible, like it... It's not even showing anything. Like I'm triggering stuff on and off and nothing is coming up. So it should be visible. What is the deal? Visible is on. Yeah, everything is visible. It's fine. Uh-oh. What is this? Okay. Okay, I think I know what the problem is. Yeah. Okay, I know what the problem is. Never mind. It's the modulation. No. no. Okay, yeah, it's back. I have to set the modulation of these things right at the beginning. Yeah, because when I make them disappear, when they die, that's changing the modulation of the thing. So like if I go over here, where is it? Turn display, here it is. So when I make it go away, I'm tweening the modulation. So I have to get the modulation back. I have to set it back up. Actually, let's do that. Visible turn node modulate is going to be new color. Oops. Color. There's a bunch of stuff like this. I believe it's 1 on everything. There we go. So that's full. Let's make it visible after we set the color. This is just an aesthetic thing. It doesn't even need to be like that, but yeah. Oh, actually, visible comes before modulate. Okay, fine. Keep it like that then. Yeah. I'm tweening. What else am I tweening? Position and modulate. But position I'm fine with because I'm setting the position here. Yeah, position is good. I don't need to do this on the ones that are invisible, but I'm just gonna make it just so it's a little cleaner. It's a little setup. Okay. So yeah, that was the problem. Like we had ghosts as well, but those are fixed, and now we had other kinds of ghosts, but those are now also fixed. So let's do that. Let's get rid of a character, one of them only, then exit, and then come back in, and let's see what happens. Because that's when the errors usually happened. God damn, they actually just knocked someone out. This is haunting. Yeah, it's just... There's a bunch of things that happen like this. It's more prominent because I'm trying to reuse a lot of nodes and stuff. Like if I was just using and discarding them, I'd have way less problems than this. But because I'm trying to like make this a little better performant, and I'm trying to reuse stuff instead of like getting them into garbage collection and coming back. Yeah, it's a nightmare to to fix this sort of stuff, because then sometimes I don't reset them properly, and yeah, it's a whole thing. But hopefully it's fixed. Okay, we actually lost a character. That's fine. But yeah, okay, one is gone, one is still here. Let's get out of combat. Let's go in again. Three characters, they're all here. And they're all selecting correctly, hopefully. Yes, okay, then that's fixed then. Good, that's good. That's actually fixed. Hopefully that's fixed. Oh, I'm actually... Wait a minute. Why is this girl here, lying on the floor? Girl, what are you doing? You're not even supposed to be here. Oh man. Yeah, she's knocked out. We can't get her into combat. Girl, you need to leave. What are you doing? Okay, but I know where the problem is. Where is combat? Here we go. When we're initializing the controllers. Yeah, because that's the thing, like... Oh, I see. Okay, I really should get that checked. If active and not knocked out, that is bad, you know? Character. if the character is knocked out, or not knocked out in this case, that's when we want to do this. If the character is knocked down, we don't want to, get him into turn order for combat because that's bad. We don't want that. Okay. So, combat. We actually have to knock down a character. Let's get them all together so we can target the weakest one. Okay. For a second, I thought he was going to go down and I was going to be sad. Okay, let's clump up so he can attack us. Let's stay in place. Let's see what he does. Because I actually want someone to get knocked out first before he dies. Come on. There you go. Damn, 3 damage. That's almost enough for her to die. Okay, don't touch him yet. We don't want to risk killing him. Damn. There we go. Okay. Now we can will on him. There we go. Okay, that's good. She's not here anymore. But she's still visible. What is she doing there? You're not supposed to be there. What are you doing? Okay. You're not supposed to be there. Because this is just adding them to the turn order. But when I'm actually... No, but I am checking if they're knocked out. Right here. If they're not knocked down, then you set them up. Then you go to the enemies, which I'm always assuming that they're not knocked out because, like, enemies and stuff. But what? Why is she still showing up? That's like... She should be over here. Interesting. Because she is knocked down. She was knocked down. And yet she's still being initialized. Okay, let me try and see. Why is she still showing up? Like, I am so confused. Because there's this countermeasure here. What is happening? Why is she still showing up? That is really weird. Because I do make them invisible if they're not associated with anything. Like, there are a bunch of character controllers. We're adding them to it. No, I'm not. I'm not. I am most definitely not. Yes. I need to make it here as well. This is not exactly... This is not exactly ideal, but let's just, yeah. Because it'll just skip. I think. Yeah, we need to do this here too. There we go. Because we're setting up a combat controller for that character, but we're not exactly... We're not filtering before, so yeah, that's gonna be a problem. Okay, hopefully that fixes that. Oh man. Hauntings everywhere. And yeah, combat is not even close to done. Like, I'm just thinking, like, there are so many edge cases that I've never considered. It's gonna be a whole thing. Like, as soon as I get this on the hands of people, they're going to find so many bugs, it's not gonna be funny. It's not even gonna be funny. Okay, one's gone. We need the other one to do the thing. Okay. Please knock me out. Please. I'm asking very nicely. Sure. That'll do. Let's give them open access to everyone. There. Character buffet. Can I attack whoever you want? Come on. Don't be shy. He's dealing no damage. Stop. When you want an enemy to be like... I need to give them bigger priority to enemies that don't have armor. I think that's my issue. Like, please attack people with no armor so you have more damage output. And he's actually melee too. Melee deal more damage right now. He can roll like 1 to 3 damage and he's rolling 2 every time. Oh, there we go. Okay. I had to speak for it to just do anything. Okay, let's get out of here. Combat again. We only have 3 characters and no character on the floor. Cool. 3 enemy characters and they're all okay. Okay. The haunting is gone. Hopefully. Hopefully the haunting is gone. Oh man. That was a whole thing. Goddamn. Okay. It's over. The haunting is over. We can breathe a sigh of relief. Hopefully no more hauntings. No more. Gotcha. I mean, I say this, but yeah, like I said, as soon as I get this into the hands of playtesters and other people to just play the game, I'm gonna find all of the bugs. It's gonna be great. People are gonna break this like it's no tomorrow, and it's gonna be glorious. I can't wait. I just cannot wait. It's gonna be beautiful. Users, the enemy of all software. Yes, absolutely. They want to end us all. If it can be broken, it will be broken. Yes, it shall be broken. Yes, that is absolutely correct. People have like the amazing ways to find loopholes and ways to break things that like people making them couldn't even imagine. It's great. I love it. I can't wait for that time to come. It's gonna be great. Let's see if we can actually beat this. I don't think we can, because these guys like pack a punch. But maybe we'll be lucky. They don't have armor, so yeah, we're not. Yeah, I think we're just straight up. Yeah, I think we're just straight up gone. Unless I manage to do like some heavy shenanigans over here, but I don't think that's happening. How much health do I have? Yeah, I'm gone. Good night. Yeah, I'm thoroughly gone. They kicked your backside. They did! I have to do some... I guess that's what I'll tackle on tomorrow. Now that combat is a little less buggy. I'm gonna try to tackle on some actual ramping difficulty, like as days pass, like you get progressively harder enemies. And then also like I want to make it so they come unarmored first, and then they start wearing armor more and more as time goes by, so like they get access to more resources and stuff like that. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, at least I've removed a lot of bugs today, so at least I'm happy about that. It wasn't very productive in terms of like making new stuff, but at least I'm fixing the old stuff, so I'm not leaving stuff behind. That's cool. I'm just gonna do one more try. See if everything's good. I just need someone to get knocked out on my end. Well, that's that. And knock someone out on their end. Let's see what happens. I can't wait for this to have like all of the animations and everything. That's gonna be great. Like I love this little thing. I know it's really rough and awkward, but I love it. Snowman beats paper, beats cardboard. Oh no! You're talking about... Snowman goes to paper armor, cardboard, and then tinfoil armor. Yes, that is absolutely it. That needs to be a thing. That sounds like a what was that name from Double Fine? Oh man, now I gotta look it up because I'm gonna kick myself until I remember. There's this game from Double Fine that is about like Halloween. It's an RPG about Halloween trick-or-treating. And you know, that'd be perfect. Perfect armor system for them. If I go to Double Fine's website, it should say the name there, right? Games. Because I totally forgot. Costume Quest, there, that's it. I totally forgot the name. But yeah, Costume Quest, that'd be a perfect armor system for them. Yeah, Costume Quest is pretty great. I played the heck out of that game. When it came out, I got glued to the screen. I only stopped when I finished the game. I really liked it. Yeah, it was really fun. I actually got 2 characters knocked out. Oh boy. Okay, let's retreat because I just want to check it. Okay. Seems to be fine, at least. Yeah, everything seems to be going correctly now. No more ghosts, no more... Oh. They're modulated. Well, but that's a... You know, they're not supposed to be... they're not supposed to their colors are not supposed to change. Need to lurk for a bit. I gotta make lunch. I actually have to go and make dinner too. I have to start looking for someone that I can raid. And I think I know who it is based on this hour. Yes. Okay, I know exactly who I'm raiding. Let's raid Connie. Because he's streaming and is he pretty cool GameDev as well. So we're gonna raid him. Yeah, I need to go right now, everybody. Gotta go take care of dinner and all that. So before I go, thank you so much for being here today. We fixed a lot of things, and I'm very happy about that. Tomorrow, maybe I'll start on some new stuff, like trying to set up like a difficulty ramp for combat and for enemies and stuff like that. So that's gonna be fun. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow for some more, you know, deving and stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for being here, everybody. I will see you all tomorrow, and now let's go raid Connie. And I gotta go copy his name because I never remember his name. Connie! Get over here. There you are. Let's set up our raid to GameDev. There we go. Okay, there it is. It's starting. Okay, last time. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I'll leave you all with Connie. You'll be in good hands. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow for some deving. So hopefully I'll see you then. Bye, everybody. Now let's go raid. And raid.